right? I mean, I'm just being honest. Yes, one or two people can call. 4,000 do not need to. Even 2,000 don't need to. They are, okay, man, whatever you think. I'm not going to argue with you over and over and over. It doesn't affect you. If I get them back, if I don't get them back, it doesn't affect you. So I don't know why you're so worried about it, honestly. Just please get out of the chat, okay? Thank you. I don't have Venmo, ma'am. I'm not yelling at anybody. Thank you. Thank you. My skin's a little dry because, like I said, I jumped in the shower and everything. But yeah, Miss Tara, I'm trying. I'm really trying to be calm. It's kind of hard. Yes, Miss Lisa, I can gift you a subscription. Yes, they are. Some of them are. I feel okay. Thank you for asking. Wow, there's too many people. A little nervous. We're getting to 2:30 here, but other than that, like, physically fine. Thank you for asking. Thank you. So far, so good. So far, so good. Even with everything, I mean, I guess there's not really a lot going on. I mean, getting Shadow back and, little things like that. Yes, but nothing too crazy that, oh, nothing's at 2:30. I just was saying we're already at 2:30. That's all. I was just saying we're already at 2:30. Never saw me like what, calm? Is it lagging? Shoot. The countdown's something for subscriptions or something that TikTok? Yeah, because I have to look it up, but I think it closes at like 6 or something to go get Shadow. I feel okay. Oh shit. My dad or my sister or somebody. I mean, that would be if I got the money. I'm not even gonna ask anybody until, fuck, $100 minimum. Go try to bribe the guy. I'm just joking. Thank you. You can think he does, but Shadow loves me. He does, and he loves my kids. He loves the family, so. Thank you. How much? They said 145 yesterday and 56 since he had to stay overnight again. What kids? My kids. I have 4 kids. Thank you. Can you see my fingers? Yes, you can see my fingers. You see? You see my fingers? You happy? He was not adopted. I talked to the guy every day since I've been out. So that's not true. So I'm going to try to get the cat out. They did not say that the cat, I had to pay anything for the cat. And when I talked to him, he did say, "Are you going to get the cat?" And I said, "Yes. It's my daughter's cat, but I'm going to get the cat." And he didn't say anything extra, but yeah, that doesn't make sense to me. So I got to find out. Maybe it does include the cat. Maybe it does because the supervisor I talked to had to email the place he's at and have them call me back with the total. So maybe it did include the cat, actually. Yeah, it doesn't. It doesn't hurt. I do. I have a license and registration for Shadow. I have to take it with me to pick him up. Oh, thank you. I thought that was so pretty. Ain't it pretty? My mom thought it was pretty too. It's pretty, ain't it? Yeah, I have to bring it with me, Mr. Rain. Yeah. I actually asked him about that. I was like, I have his little registration tag thing. Want me to bring that? And he said, yeah, bring it, and bring like his shot records, and like, just proving that I am, the owner because of everything going on, so I'm sorry if it's lagging. I haven't touched anybody. My hands, I haven't muted anybody. I didn't see you. Dude, I'm not even close to being able, because what's 146 plus, or 145 plus 56? That was like two. We figured it out earlier. No, don't say that. The Lisa Boo 10? It's 201. Don't even send them anywhere. I don't even want to send them there. It's 201. Okay. It's a sub thing. It's a TikTok sub thing. You got money? That's nice. I don't know what that's like. Shadow was not adopted. I mean, why do you keep coming in here and saying that? Like, do you not know that I know better than that? It's not, whatever. It's not a rash. It's dry skin. I washed my face with. I know they are, Mickey. I know. The Cash App is the Lisa Boo 10, honey. Lisa Boo 10. I didn't even want people to subscribe. Yeah, I have water. Yeah, I just don't have electric. Thank you. Really? How do you know that, ma'am? Do you know me? I didn't think so. They do. They live for it. They wait for it. It's crazy, honestly. I do not have batteries, no. And I also don't have, I need to, I'm just fucked, pretty much. I don't have the money to get Shadow. I don't have the money to get a power box. I'm missing calls that I need to take. Yeah. My sister tried to get a hold of me for a whole day for a rehab that called to get information, and I'm missing shit because my phones are fucking dead. So they're calling the wrong phones. It's a mess. It's a mess. It's a mess. It's a mess. No, I haven't eaten today either, ma'am. I mean, I don't have a stove. I don't have a microwave. I don't have anything. I mean, it's not me just not wanting to eat. It's not excuses. It's just what's going on. Yep, it is a me problem. It is a me problem, yes. I don't have the number. I have to get the number off of my sister. She's at work. They should be able to call and get through. I don't know why it doesn't matter. It fucking doesn't matter. I am tired. I wanted to stay sleeping this morning, but I had to get up and find a ride to go dose, so. I don't care who's doing or whose fault or whatever. It was done on purpose, not on purpose, because of this or that or who, whatever. It doesn't matter. The point is, that's the point. It's happening, okay? Yeah, no, that's not really true, but okay. No, you're not. You're really not. I don't care who it's happening because of, though, ma'am. Did you not just hear what I said? The point is, it's happening, and that's it. If you want to be rude, you can please scroll on. I mean, I don't understand what the issue is. They're about to go. Yeah, they are. I caused my own problems. Okay, ma'am. Yeah, I called the fucking electric company and said, man, come shut my fucking electric off so that I can fucking beg for money on TikTok. Is that what I did? That'll be in the next live, right? So I did that. What else did I do? I called the police on myself, I guess, right? Got a hold of that lady. Said, y'all, you guys gotta come. Come on. Like, I need to go. It doesn't matter. How am I supposed to pay it? With what? I mean, you're not understanding. Right. I didn't pay it. I didn't have the money to pay it. I have no income at all. Zero. I don't know what that's for, baby. I don't know. That's great. Eventually, yes. Yes, Misty, I got you. I got you. Not yet, but like I was just saying, I don't know if you just came in, ma'am, there is one trying to get a hold of me. So, hopefully I can we're playing fucking phone tag because my phones keep dying, unfortunately. I'm trying. I really am. My sister's keeping in touch. We're trying, ma'am. Okay, you can think I'm a child all you want. I really don't care what your opinion is, okay? If you don't like me, just please get off the live. I don't know how many times I have to say that. You're right, I am on live, and nobody's forcing anybody to be here. Nobody is forcing anybody to be here, okay? Nobody, okay? I didn't get over... It's fucking freezing up. I gotta turn the fucking... Yeah, this is ridiculous. They're ridiculous. Like, they're absolutely fucking ridiculous. This whole fucking chat. Okay, there we go. I can't. I need a second. Whew. The Cash App. Lisa Boo 12. I just need 1 second from the rudeness of the... Not everybody, but you guys saw. Lagging bad. Okay. Thank you, whoever texted me lagging bad. Sorry, I'm trying. I have to use the hotspot in the neighborhood too. I don't have Wi-Fi because I don't have electricity. I'm sorry. Oh, fucking hell. I see it. I see it lagging. I see it. Fucking hell, dude. I need to get something to eat, and I need to get a fucking power bank bad. I'm never gonna... And then I'm gonna get blamed for it. It's gonna be me. It's gonna be me. Hold on a second. I'm trying. What the fuck is up with all the text messages? Holy fuck. Hold on. I'm trying, you guys. The poll too has payment options in it. I saw somebody just... Hold on. Just... Hold on.